Good morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again on another day, another set of tutorial and examples in under pa rin tayo ng engineering mathematics, plane geometry, circles, and other miscellaneous figures. So, sorry for a week na hindi ako nakagawa ng tutorials. Medyo naging busy lang sa work. But ituloy-tuloy na natin to para makausad na tayo sa mga next pa nating topics. No? So, I believe problem number 7 na to under circles, plane geometry. So, tara. Given two concentric circles with the outer circle having a radius of 10 centimeters, if the area of the inner circle is half of the outer circle, find the border between the two circles. So, dinronowing ko na siya. Explain ko na lang. Ibig sabihin ng concentric again, guys, is having the same center. So, the red one is the outer circle. Sorry, no outer. And the black, yung inner. Then, nag-drawing lang ako ng axis, yung green, para ma-illustrate dyan, yung radius, yung R is the radius of the inner circle, the 10 centimeters, the radius of the outer circle, and then the X, yung hinahanap na border. So, paano ba natin sinusolve yung ganitong kind of problem? So, alam natin na, sabi pa dito, if the area of the inner circle is half of the outer circle, find the border between the two. So, yung border, which is si X, is just 10 minus R. So, we have to find the value of the R so that we can find the value of the X. So, sabi pa dito, if the area of the inner circle is half, so ibig sabihin na, half no area ng inner circle is equal to the area of the outer. Okay? So, ano ba yung area ng inner? So, 1/2, area ng inner is pi r squared, which is 10 squared. And then, the area of the outer is just pi r squared. So, malalaman natin yung value ng r. So, dito pa lang, pwede na tayong mag-cancel out para hindi na natin itama si pi sa pag-input sa calculator. So, makakuha tayo ng value ng radius. Value ng radius ng inner circle. So, 0.5, 100 is just equal to x squared. So, 7.071. And then, malalaman na natin yung value ng border. X is just 10 minus R. So, dyan, makakuha tayo ng value na 2.929 centimeters. So, yun yung sagot natin. So, hopefully, na-gets siya kasi madali lang siya. And I believe it is letter A. So, this is how you solve this kind of problem. So, next problem tayo, problem number 8. A swimming pool is deep constructed in the shape of partially overlapping circles. Each of the circles has a radius of 9 meters and each passes through the center of the outer. Find the area of the swimming pool. So, drawing ko na rin siya, pero ang actual kasi niyan, ito, dapat ganito yung shape ng circle, ng swimming pool. Yan. Yan, baka kung ano isipin nyo guys ha. Basta ganyan siya. Okay? Pero, bali yung hinahanap nating area dyan, itong anomaly. Itong area to, ito siya. So, yung area na hinahanap natin, guys, ito. I-drawing, i-shadean ko. Ito yung area na hinahanap natin. Yan. Yan, tsaka ito. Bakit? Kasi ngayon sinabi ko sa inyo eh. Kasi itong part na to, yan, yung blue one, yun yung area. Okay. So, ilagay natin ng note. Ito, yan yung area of the swimming pool. So, paano natin makuha yung area na yan? Kailangan mahanap muna natin to. kung ano ba to, kung ano yung area nito. Yung dilaw, yan yung tanggal. Tanggal yung dilaw. Okay? So, yan. So, paano ba yan? So, bali, ang alam pala natin, yung area ng swimming pool, SP, is just area 1. So, dalawang area 1, yung blue. Yan, yung area ng blue. Yan, ito yan na. So, paano natin gagawin yan? So, since na-shadean ko naman, let's draw na lang ulit dito. I-drawing natin tong gitna. Yun munang gitna, yung sa yellow one. Partially overlapping circles. Okay, basta ito yung area na kailangan natin. Basta ito yung area na kailangan natin. Ito. Yan, yung blue. Yan yung area ng swimming pool. Okay? Kaya lang guys ha. A swimming pool is to be constructed partially overlapping. Each of the circles are radius of 9 meters and each passes through the center of the other. Find the area of the swimming pool. Sige. So, paano natin si-solve to? Kunin muna natin tong angle theta na to. Yan. So, yan. Yung theta na yan. So, paano ba natin kukunin yung theta na yan? So, cosine theta is just equal to, but cosine? Kasi malalaman natin na yung opposite side niya, ay adjacent side is 4.5 over the hypotenuse. Yung green, yun yung 9. So, yan. 9. So, sana gets, ito yung 9 na yun. Ito yung hypotenuse. And then, this is the adjacent side. Kasi ito yung opposite side, yung theta. So, makakuha tayo ng value ng theta dyan. Calculate ko na yun kanina. So, 60 degrees. Pero kailangan natin yung dalawang theta. So, 2 theta is just 120. Okay, next. Ito kasing area 2, siya yung area nung, ito lang yung area 2. Ito yung kailangan natin tanggalin. Yan. So, yan. So, yan ang kailangan nating tapyasin eh. So, area 2 is just area ng sector minus area ng triangle. Ano ba yung sector? Yung sector dyan, edi yung pi 9 squared, pi r squared theta, theta is 120, all over 360, minus area of the triangle is 1 half AB. So, 1 half AB, which is 9 squared, sine ng 120. Makakuha tayo ng value ng area 2. So, sana nasusundan guys kung paano ko nakukuha yung mga values. So, pi r squared, so 81, 120 over 360 minus 0.5, 180. Ay 9 times ng 81, sine ng 120. So, 49.75. 49.75 square centimeters. So, next. Ngayon, nakuha na natin yung area 2. Ito kasi area 1. Yung area 1 is just yung area nung dalawang circle. So, ang area, ito muna isang circle yung pag-usapan natin. Yung area ng isang circle. So, area ng isang circle which is pi 9 squared, pi r squared, so 9 squared, okay, minus area ng sector, which is 49.75. So, makakuha tayo ng value ng area 1 dyan, which is pi 81 minus 49.75. So, 204. Ayan, ba't ganun? So, 204.719 centimeters. So, since identical naman sila, yun nga, area ng swimming pool is just 2 area 1. So, i-times mo lang sa, times 2 mo lang to. So, yeah. No. So, 409. 409.44 square centimeter. So, yan na yung sagot natin. Area ng swimming pool. Again, yung blue lang po, yung area ng swimming pool. Tinanggal lang natin yung dilaw na part. So, ayan. That's how you solve this kind of problem. So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga features ng ating tutorials. So, happy learning, engineering buddies, and padayon engineers!